all new episode conflicts. Today we'll be looking at a scooter, not just your ordinary scooter. This here is a Transformers themed Bumblebee version, aka the Zing C8 by Segway. Now if you're not familiar with it, Segway as well as Transformers have teamed up to make a variety of different products, from go-karts, GT2 scooters, and this kick scooter, in which we'll be reviewing all of them together. Now this thing is actually a pretty darn cool concept, mainly because of the fact that you have the awesomeness of a Segway scooter, but then you also have the radical cool concept of Transformers, and mashing them together to create something unique is actually pretty darn cool. Now this particular scooter is based off of Bumblebee, which we actually already noticed, in which we'll be actually unboxing and seeing exactly what it's all about, and even having my son Hamza try it out. So if you guys want to learn more about this, check out the link down below in the description, and without further ado, let's open this thing up. Alright, so this here is our packaging. This here is our box. Looks pretty darn cool. On the front here kind of showcases it in all of its glory. So it says Bumblebee. It looks like there's a faceplate of Bumblebee as you're standing about. Got the Autobots logo here on the front. Showcases that it's got a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour with 3 different speed modes. You have ambient lighting and some mechanical braking, and then it being water resistant. Now this is designed for ages 6 and up, so just keep that in mind. As we do kind of rotate it about, on the back side here, kind of showcases it again more in detail. You have this cool looking cover art of Bumblebee, which is really neat. You have your different variations of modes. You have 3 riding modes. You have a smart battery management system. You have a 120 watt hub motor, integrated throttle so that it will be in the actual steering. Then you have a mechanical braking system, your ambient lighting, 4X structure frame, and a quick release mechanism. So it's essentially an adult size scooter in a pint-sized scale. Let's open this thing up. Alright, so this here's everything that we get out of our box. So essentially it does require you to build it in a little bit of a way. I think it just kind of clips right in. You do have your charger. So this is just a standard wall-out charger. Actually pretty simple. There's actually no like middle base. It just directly plugs right into it. So just keep that in mind. And it does have the Segway logo in there, so it's great in terms of if you do lose it. And it has a little indicator in there as well. So in case if you want to know if it's charged or if it's charging, that's always a plus. Now over here we have some paperwork. So we do get a little thank you card. And then of course we do get our user manual. Looks pretty darn cool. Very promising, I have to say off the back. Again, you do have that nice two-tone between the yellow and the black. You have this lovely looking little artwork here. Now this is designed in a way where you can go ahead and step on it. It has that gripper feel to it that you would see like on most skateboards. So the child that does use it won't fall off of it, kind of keeps it sturdy. Over here is our little charger port. You can see that right here. So go ahead and pop that open. So we have essentially a locking mechanism here. So he's going to unlock it by moving that latch. Let that slide until it clicks. There you go. Close the latch. And now it is nice and snug. So that is simply the concept of kind of releasing it and unfolding it. So on the top side here we do have our handlebars, and then we have our throttle, as well as our power button, and then our brake for our, looks like our rear brake to go ahead and help stop it. Let's go ahead and take it outside next and see what it's all about. All right, so we're outside here on this beautiful day. I got Hamza. Hamza, you ready to ride this thing? Yeah. This thing looks really cool. Now Hamza is actually just learning how to go ahead and balance on this thing, and he's actually mastering it pretty well. Hamza, you ready? Yeah. All right, let's see what we got. Is it really easy to use? Yeah, so surprisingly, it's very easy, very smooth, and Hamza's learning how to use the brakes. Okay, Hamza, brake for me. How did I show you how to brake? Squeeze it. There you go. Nicely done. So yeah, Hamza, do you like it? What do you think of it? Cool. Is it fast? What do you think of the throttle? The little throttle? Is it nice? Is it easy to use to go ahead and accelerate? Yeah. How do you do it? You press that button and then it goes? Yeah. Like that? You can do this and it goes. Nice. You do this and it goes. All right, go ahead. Show me how does it work. Okay. All right, go ahead. Show me how it goes. Go ahead. There you go. And then you can see him accelerating right there. Nice job, Hamza. All right, so let's go ahead and go around the block and see what this is all about. Now, surprisingly, this thing is actually very quiet. I like the fact that it's actually very nimble, and it's actually quite easy on the throttle. It's got a smooth transition of power. Obviously, being a Segway brand, it's one of the name brands out there, and it definitely holds up to the name. You can tell from some of the other ones, this thing is actually very good overall in terms of usage. But yeah, the brakes are good. It's actually got some LEDs on the bottom too. It's got green lights, I think. Yeah, see the green lights right there?
And why not do red?
You can actually, you might be able to change it. You just gotta connect to it. So yeah, there you guys have it. Hamza, what do you think? Overall, a really cool scooter?
Yeah.
There you are. Now, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.